Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning, grade 7 girls. We'll continue with unit 1 review and then we'll start with unit 2. So I have given you homework on Thursday, that's Wednesday, about B and C. Please check your answers. Did you get the same answers? -4/16 and C is -9/16. You can clear your doubts if you don't get this. Okay, now coming to the last page, I will quickly do the assessment practice with you and we can start with the new unit, the unit review. Okay. Which is an equivalent multiplication okay, which is the multiplication expression, correct one? You know very well. Yes, can you see -3/8? I will flip. It will become 54 minus.
For this question, we can use a calculator, right?
My dear, for this, you don't have to use a calculator. It's just asking expression. You write like this, -3/8, multiply and flip. You know how to do this, right? This you will copy.
So we just flip it, yes?
Flip it. Yes, Malak?
So we flip it and then we multiply.
I will check. Once again, see. It's y. This will flip. 7/54 becomes 54/7. You need to flip it. You know that. Let's see, this means -3/8 divided by -7/54. See this question. It's this question. So you know how to flip it. No, the first one, you will keep it same. The second one, you will flip it. Okay, girls? Next. So this we have finished the lesson. And next here we have, before we go with 2.1, I can go with the unit 2, what you know, do what you know, okay? Take out that page. You have this page, girls. The review, the unit review, I will do inshallah, girls, on when we have 2 periods, okay? I will do that with the unit review.
Okay.
Page number, now please, page number 83, everyone. Page 83. We will start with the new unit. What is the unit name? Anyone tell me, will say me? What is the unit name? No, the unit name. Proportionals. Analyze and uses proportionals. Okay, so the unit's name is analyze and use proportional relationships. Girls, quickly I want to review what we have done last year in grade 6 so that it goes easier. The quantities x and y. When I write x and y, they are called as terms. What are they called as? Terms. So the first one here is terms. Next, 2 dogs and 3 cats, 10 dogs and 15 cats. You call it as, like, see, if 2/3, you check 10/15. Please see here, 5 times 2 and 5 times 3, right? So these are same. You can just cut here and say 5 times 2 and 5 times 3. So those are equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios. Next. A dash is a type of ratio that has both terms expressed in different units. What is it? A rate. A rate is a type of ratio that has both terms expressed in different units. A dash is a fraction. What is a fraction called as? Complex fraction. And its numerator, denominator abroad. If I say what is a fraction, that a complex one, it has its fraction in the numerator, like see, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. It has a fraction in the numerator, it has a fraction in the denominator. So this is nothing but a complex fraction. What is it called? So number 3 is rate. And number 4 is complex fraction. Understood?
Yes, Miss. Miss, can I go to the bathroom?
Did you write this?
Okay.
You can go, you can go. Just take a picture at least, Yamala.
Okay, Miss. Yeah, I'm going to take a screenshot of it and write.
Very simple. 4 boys. If there are 4 boys and 7 girls, so 8 boys will be how many girls? Now see, girls, can you see the screen clearly or shall I make it big? I cannot make it big. Can you see it if I explain on the screen directly? Can you see this? Everyone?
Yeah, I can see it better.
First, welcome Ghalia. First, see how do I get? Like see 4 and 8 boys. So you're multiplying with what to get 8? 4 times 2 is 8. Just to see the relationship. If you want, you can go with that way. 7 divided by 14. 7 over 4 times 8. That is 32 by 4. And then this is something else. Now, girls, they are saying complete equivalent ratio. What is the equivalent ratio means? When 4 boys gives you 8 boys, that is you multiply with 2. You know it, very girls. 4 and 7 and 8. And how do you make them same? If you multiply this with 8, so even this with 2. So I get 14. Now did you understand? Like if I multiply 4 with 2, I get 8. So same thing, I'll multiply in the denominator to get 14. 16, I will divide, see, 4 and 1 is given in the question. I divide with 4 to get 1 car. So again, this I will divide with 4 to get 4 cars. 8, 10 and 50. 10 and 15, what is the relation? I will multiply with 5 to get 50, right? So 8, I'll multiply with 5 to get 40. Vital, are you getting that? Malak is not there. Ghali, are you getting it?
Yeah.
16 and 8. How do you get 16 and 8 when you divide by? No, multiply 2. 16 times 2 is 32. When you make half of 16, you divide 2. Half of 16 is 8. No. Listen to me. They have not given you this 10 in the question. You have to find this 10. So I'll just make a relation with what is they given. 16 divided by 2. It gives you 8. So 20 divided by 2, same number, will give you 10. Understood? Now 30 divided by, what will give you 8? 4. So same, 8 divided by 4 will give you 2. Here, 7 times something will give you 21. 9 times what give you 27? 3. So 7 times 3 also 21. It's very, very simple. Stop me if you don't get it. Ghali, especially you, Ghali. If
Okay,
you don't
miss.
get it, ask me, please. Can I erase all of it?
Yes, miss.
Now here, I have taught you in grade 6 very well. John traveled 150 mile in 3 hours. They want as rate. Rate means for 1 hour, how much? Rate means for 1. John traveled 150 mile. See how I write? In 1 hour, sorry, in 3 hours, like this. 150 miles in 3 hours. So 1 hour, how much? This is the, you know, you write 150 over, but they just ask you the relationship. So you write 150 over 3 hours mile. Here, 5 apples in 2 days. So you write 5 apples over 2 days. Am I right? So one apple, how many days? You can calculate with the same proportionality how I taught you. But right now, just they want the rate. So you do 5 over 2. 5 apples over 2. Now, how you get, if they ask you the equation, girls, how do you get 12? What do you multiply to 4 to get 12? So that's what. For x, every time for you are multiplying 3 with x. You know what? All this is x, right? Lean. You know this, all they are x. So if I multiply x with 3, you get y. That's why I wrote y equals 3x. Or even this is correct, 3x equal y. Why am I multiplying 3 with x? Because everything I need to multiply with 3 to get answers. Next. Girls, this is your homework. It's given in the, try to do it, okay? The definitions, you need to search and write. Now let us begin. Lesson 2.1, connect ratios, rates, and unit rates. When I say girls, unit, Leen, Wateen, and here, Malak and Ghali. When I say the word unit, that means you will find for 1. Like I told you, 12 boxes is 28 riyals. So unit, find the unit rate. That means 1 box is how much? Did you understand? If you want to find for 1 thing, you will write it as unit. That means short for 1 specific thing. Here, Jennifer is a lifeguard at the same pool. Girls, don't write until I explain it. Maybe because I have my own explanation. Jennifer is a lifeguard at the same pool. She earns $137.25 in how many hours? 15 hours. Per hour, you have to find the unit. For 1 hour, how much? What did I say, Malak? What to divide and what to multiply? This, you're going to divide 137.25 over 15, multiply by 1. Use the calculator and get your answer. But they didn't ask you, they just, you will not just leave like this. Did you understand? I don't know whether you understand this way what is given, but please, this way, I have been teaching you from last year. I'll make it
So
way. See, 137.25 is for 15 hours. So for 1 hour, how much? How do I teach you? 137.25
so we divide
15 and multiply. When you divide this by 15, what do you get? You get,
9.
are you sure? Just do a check.
Wait, no, I'm gonna. 3, 7. I got 9.133333.
9.15 and leave it. Even if you write 9.13, it's not wrong.
Unless if I write 9.13333,
Yes, yes,
is it
it's
wrong?
right. Write 1 3 and bar or 1 3 and leave it.
So we got the answer now.
Yes.
The answer is 9.
Yes, the answer is 9.15. I have solved here.
How did you get the 1.15?
What did I say? You 137.25 is 15 hours in the question. She earns 137 in 15 hours. So how much she earns in 1 hour? That's why we are dividing. You can see here, this is over 50. Now what's next? Put a cross mark to this question, girls. Just try it with the question. It's just for your practice, okay? Because I cannot have time to do everything. Now we'll directly go to page number. Here, page number 88. Do you know how? Yes, we are not doing it. I don't want to write stories. That's just theory part. Crystal is comparing two internet service plans. Plan 1 cost. This is plan 1. Okay. Number 4. Plan 1. In plan 1, what is it? Cost 1 month. It cost 334.99. Now this is plan 2. Plan 2 is 134.97 is for 3 months. They ask you which one is. This is very simple. You don't need to divide. But see here, for 3 months, plan 2, this is plan 2. 3 months, it's 134.97. So for 1 month, because they ask you the unit, how much? It is 134.97 divided by 3. Please, can you tell me, Yamalak? Girls, can you say me when you divide this with the calculator? $134.97. 134.97 divided by 3. You get 44.99. I can even write 45. I can even write $45. So see, plan 2, you have $45. Plan 1 is $34. Which one is cheap? Plan 1, because I just have to divide with 1. I wrote 34.99. But for plan 2, when you do it for 3 months, what do I do? Okay. 1 minute. Sorry, my dear girls. Yes. Finish? Finish, Rital?
Yeah, I'm finished.
Pam will read 210 pages in 5 hours. 210 pages in 5 hours. So one page is how much? You will divide 5 over 210. 5 hours is 210 page in 5 hours. So one second, don't write until I do this. Okay, Pam read 126 pages. What am I writing? Pam read 126 pages in 3 hours. And Zach read 180 pages in 4 hours. Now I will find the proportionality of this. I'll find the proportionality of this and then it's compare. So 126 means 3 hours. 1 hour, how much? So it's 126 divided by 3. What do you get it? 43. Don't you think so? No. Yes, 42. You get 42 pages. So one hour means 42 pages. And let us check with this. 45. 42 pages with the Zach, Pam. This is Pam. And this is Zach. They both finished 215 pages after 5 total hours. Explain. Girls, just write this. Just write this, and that's it, kids. I cannot teach more. I have a lot of. Oof.